say, want to dance. I can do just again. Man, one love to everybody in this place today. One love, man. You know easy, you know easy. You know, everybody that came up here has spoken everything that I originally wanted to talk about. You know, so at this kind of situation where teacher will say, students, who knows what I'm going to say today? Some people will say no, it's okay. Let those that already know tell the people I don't know. So that kind of situation I did now. So, but on a serious note, you guys are young, fresh. So many things are waiting you. So many great things. And like this thing says, take the future. There's no fake trick in that. You just have to believe. You have to know that, look, if you want to drink this water, you must go carry the water, drink. The water will just by itself, just show. You get to go carry and you get to, you know, so you have to move towards whatever you feel, whatever you believe in. And you have to do it within, you know, the context of, yes, this thing they right. You understand what I'm saying? These men, if you accuse them, say that they're thief now, they will look at you like saying that you be a normal person. Because they have been doing it, it's part of their, like he said, like Mr. Mike said, it's become tradition, it's become the normal. So anybody that goes there and says, hey, let us not thief this money, let us not, then they look you as that you be the odd person. It has, that the problem is like that now in Nigeria, you know. It's like that. Even young guys, your mates, your mates. There's a kind of behavior that you, when you correct, when you arrange yourself, it gets as they look you say you be true man. And it has become a tradition, it's become a culture in Nigeria. And it's not right. It's not right. So don't be afraid to be the correct guy. Don't be afraid to be the person that stands up for what is correct. Don't be afraid to be the person that, you know, made them laugh me, say me I don't surgery anything. Fine and good. Just do your thing. You know, because the minute you start to look at another person, you don't derail from your own. You don't like say you drive car. As you look the other guy, you don't come out eye from your front. You go crash or you go scatter. So just believe in truth, in being cool, being real, you know. Politics affects us anyhow you want to look at it. Everything that happens to you, politics is involved. If NEPA carry life for your area, politics is involved. If water no dey, politics dey. If road no good, if school they go on strike, if all these things, politics is involved. And you become of age to be able to influence politics, you know. So it is only right for you to be interested in who goes there, who represents you, and be bold enough to treat them, you know. Because now, I go my village, person senior my father, they do like this for me. And I'm like, what's that all about? You know? So now, people just respect money. They don't want to know where the money comes from. They don't want to know how, they don't want to know whether the person Evans the kidnapper, according to this guy. They don't want to know. As far as though money day, bam, now so, you don't talk to money. The problem in Nigeria now, you know, people will not deserve anything when they hate them. Person when they do stuff, when wey make sense because you no get money push am over you take am say nothing but person wey no dey do nothing you go see as dey yell just because of say money dey hand. That's a big problem that we have in Nigeria now. You go see one scientist somewhere, nobody will even answer am. But make one thief from House of Assembly show up. He never do anything to benefit anybody, but you will see him. So that value system when they talk, we don't misplace the value system on Nigeria. We don't misplace it. Now different things we appreciate. Different things. Even for my music. These days I just hype. You don't want to know whether your lyrics correct, whether anything. Nobody. I just hype. You understand what I'm saying? So many things don't get misplaced. So if you have the mind, join political party. Don't sit on the fence and complain. If you have the mind, join a political party. Because you can only influence decisions when you are part of the system. You can only influence if these people say, oh boy, our agenda na to go chop money. If you don't deal with them for that meeting, if you talk, say, no, our agenda make it be, make we arrange things. So if they don't decide say our agenda na to chop money, and they there, if you follow them, you go only dey complain from outside. So it is now you join the party, you grow in the party, you be able to influence decisions, and it goes on and on like that in every other aspect of life that you have. So it's not easy. It's not like Jesus matter now. No matter how you try good reach, they still mess them up. Then die on the streets. So life be too. Many times that you stand for the truth, there are always those criminals that will make sure that they frustrate your efforts. Just because they only thrive in that criminal environment. So we have people now, we have a few good people in government, but in a democratic setting, it's votes. So if you have 60 criminals against 40 correct people, the 60 criminals will always, their vote will then go always, So it's the same thing with going to vote. You think your vote will count, but try and first make you at least satisfy that your conscience say you put your hand there. So that if it actually works, you will find out, you will know. If you don't work, you will know. But if you don't try at all, then you useless effort with that. You understand? So like I said, everybody has said everything that I was going to say. So and I hope that we will leave here today with that mindset that look, me, I want to be correct person. Me, I want to stand for good movements. Good movement don't mean say you don't go jolly, you don't go enjoy yourself, it doesn't mean that. It just means that you have to stand for the right thing at every point in time. Stand for what is right. No matter what thing they take, dazzle. Your personal work, personal everything, but when it comes to this Nigeria, when it comes to how we should move forward, let us stand on the right side of history. You understand? It's just like one of my friends tell me, say, he go meet Babalawo, say he will make his life better. But making life correct. Then Babalawo will control 2 circles. Or say, in this cricket, I hope, I go drop out. If you enter this side, your life no go better. But if you enter this circle, your life no correct. Now Babalawo will drop the cricket. Now the cricket just do the goal like this. Now the guy just grab the cricket by himself. Babalawo say, what's happen? Why you touch the cricket? He said, no, I don't feel stand for you. I need my destiny. I got to do that for you. So one love, man.
together. The one and only musical icon in Africa. You know why I hold it? This is about the office. Talk about my show. Just tell them, encourage them when they come. Now next tomorrow. Remember, if I tell them now, just tell them when they come. Get from your mouth.
Okay, now PCOM Entertainment presents Comedy Cruise Sabbath. Sabati 316. Venue na Spice Garden Hotel. Where be this now? Okota.
You know, Namibia, just let them in there come. Okay, when I hear, if not endorse the name, when I don't come. Clap now, no, clap. Thank you. I don't blue.